Tell us, Sister Banks, about your childhood and what experiences you brought to this marriage.
Well, my father was in the sheep business, so he was gone a lot. He started out as a sheep herder as a young man, and then finally it developed into kind of a broker. He would buy them, and then he would raise them, fatten them up, and then he'd take them to California and sell them on the market in California. So he was gone a lot, so my mother as well was kind of the primary family authority in the family. Daddy had a big influence on us, and we always looked forward to him coming home, but he only came home about every 6 weeks. He'd come home, he'd be home for a day or two, and then he'd listen to us argue about who was going to do the dishes, and he'd say, well, I guess I'll have to go to the hotel if you kids aren't going to get along with each other. And he didn't like the confusion. But there was a lot of love in our family. My father and mother had a great deal of love for each other, and I could see that growing up. I felt very secure in our home.